Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is not functioning properly and it's accompanied by an error message code 0x00000001 and you're unable to access the Microsoft Store and it's not working properly, might be crashing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment here. And there you go, guys, should launch the Microsoft Store, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.